Samui. It's one of the prettiest places, if not the prettiest. I think it's the prettiest place I've ever seen. And I can't wait to tell you more because we've already spent day one here, but we booked massages and they just got to the house, so I'm gonna go relax and then I'll catch you up. Good morning, guys. I have so much to fill you in on. So sorry to keep you waiting. I just had to go grab a little coffee and some breakfast for a little chat together. So let's catch up, finally. We made it to Koh Samui, Thailand, and it is so incredible. Our first stop was Bangkok, and this is finally our time to be on the beach. Obviously, because Bangkok is a big city, it was so crazy. It reminded me a lot of Ho Chi Minh. We found little pockets we liked, but ultimately our goal of this trip was to come to the beach and relax on the beach. So thank goodness we're finally here. We're gonna be here for the next 4 days. And also we have some friends that we know from Aspen that happen to be in Thailand at the exact same time. So we got this villa together. This is the pool and this is our view. Literally absurd. I've never seen anything like it. I'm just so excited to relax because we were so go this winter, and this is just finally our time to enjoy. Our hard work has paid off and brought us here. Yesterday when we got here, Cooper and I went straight to the beach. It's a 4-minute walk. It's basically like private beach. There was no one on it. And we did that while we waited for everybody else to come in. And then when they got here, we went to a little Thai restaurant on the beach. Finally got to try real Thai pad Thai. And oh my gosh, it was everything I dreamed of and more. Pad Thai is one of my favorite foods, and that was one of the things I was looking forward to the most on this trip, and I probably will eat it every single day we're here. Also, I would like to point out that yes, this is the island where White Lotus season 3 is filmed. However, this trip was booked before that season came out. We did not know, so I don't want to be bandwagoning associated with bandwagoning off of that, because we didn't. It was all just by chance. I'm already a little bit sunburned. I don't know if you can tell. We were out at the beach for like 30 minutes. Completely fried. I just haven't seen the sun in like 6 months. But I think today we are gonna go just have a beach day, a chill beach day. Tomorrow we have a boat day all day. So I think today we're gonna go to the beach, maybe do some exploring. We all rented motorbikes. Cooper and I have ours already, and then the other people's are getting here this morning. So we'll be able to drive around the island on our little motorbikes, explore. I really want to get some coffee because I just love Vietnamese coffee. I guess I don't know if it's called that here. When I had it in Vietnam, it was called Vietnamese coffee. Here I've been ordering their like flavored lattes, and it tastes the exact same as the Vietnamese coffee. They make it with condensed milk, and it's the best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. Like I need to get the recipe. This is just to hold me over until the motorbikes come so we can all do a coffee run. Also, the massages. We literally had a masseuse come to the villa when everybody got here. So last night on this like deck out here, the boys did their massage right over there. And then we have a balcony at our villa right over there. Looks kind of the same without the pool. And they came in and gave us at-home massages, and like, oh my God, it was so incredible. That's most of the catching up I had to do with you. Now I'm gonna take you with me. Welcome to Thailand. To the beach!
To the beach.
We came back to the same lunch spot we went to yesterday. So good. Right on the beach, right next to our place. So cheap. And I'm ordering pad Thai again. Hey guys, do we like this outfit? Little linen pants. I feel like it has potential, but it needs a little something. It's a little too plain. I feel like I barely went into the sun today because yesterday it scared me so much. But I honestly would probably have been fine because of the amount of sunscreen I lathered up today. And I wanted to even out my tan lines, but I don't think I did. Who knows? Maybe it just hasn't developed yet, you know? But the beach was amazing. It felt so good. The water here is so warm and it's just like so incredible. I'm just so happy to be here. We have yet to explore town because we've just been beaching it up the whole time. So I think we're gonna go do that now and into the night maybe, see where life takes us. I'm excited because this island is a lot bigger than I thought it was. So I'm looking forward to seeing what it's got, what's happening here. I mean, I guess we drove around last night on the little motorbikes. Well, just to get groceries, really, but we didn't get to see or do anything. It was literally just a efficient trip, get groceries and go home. But riding on the back of Coop's motorbike was actually so much fun. I hate driving, so this is perfect because he loves driving. And it was so fun zooming around town. But they drive on the left side of the road here, so that was funky. Took a little bit of getting used to, but once we had that dialed, it was a blast.
She was asking for 4,700 baht. I got her down to 15. I got Blakers, my little brother. He's graduating high school. Louis Vuitton belt.
Ooh, that's...
And I got my mother a Louis Vuitton bag.
Can I see it? Oh, cute. Cute, cute. With a view. Cheers. Yesterday, when we were walking around the night market, I passed this little jewelry store and I got some goodies. I want to get some more probably at the next place we go to because I think it would be cool to find like little spots on the beach to buy it. But this was hard to pass up because I lost my pearls, as you guys know. I think they fell off skiing. And I wanted like a replacement white one to balance it out. And then I'm really becoming a bracelet girl this trip. And I got 2 more. How gorgeous is this? And I got this shell one that I think I'm gonna give to Cooper's little sister. Obsessed with it. We're having a boat day. I think we're gonna go island hopping, snorkeling, just get some sun. I'm pumped. Okay guys, first activity of the day, we're going snorkeling. Don't worry, I brought my GoPro. I think this is gonna be epic. We're gonna eat lunch and it's so insane. This place just keeps getting prettier and prettier.
Guys, this was a good decision.
Best decision of your life?
Of my life?
Yeah.
No.
What was the best decision of your life?
Marrying my Danny. Yes, that was definitely.
Good answer.
That was the best decision of my life.
Okay, today we have a
He
lot
still
of
needs to make that
food. So yeah,
decision.
stay hungry because
We're headed back to the boat now. Done with lunch. And I'm pretty sure we're going kayaking next. I honestly don't know because Tyler did not tell us any of these activities were happening. And we found out when we got to the boat this morning. But like, how exciting. What a good surprise. Oh, we're going on a hike? I didn't wear my hiking shoes. We'll see where this day takes us. I think we've almost made it. Oh my goodness. I'm drinking a beer. I think it's like 11, which is a little early to be drinking a beer, but we're on island time and we're on vacation, so who cares? And it's our last full day in Koh Samui, which is bittersweet because this place is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, one of the most beautiful places if not the most beautiful place I've ever been in my entire life. But we also have like 2 or 3 more weeks left, and we're going to hopefully a lot more beautiful beaches and beautiful places. So I am looking forward to that. I love exploring a new place. Walking down to the beach now. We're gonna have a little morning at the beach, little midday. It's almost witching hour when I get burnt the most, but I just lathered up the sunscreen. And then we're gonna head to town and walk around for a little bit. So cheers. Cooper decided to get a tattoo, and Abby's gonna get one too, but Cooper's already in there, so we're gonna go find him and see how it's coming along. I'm so excited. The design he picked out is so cool and has like a lot of meaning to him in this trip. Cooper, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. It's Abby's turn. Abby's mid-tattoo, and her Arby's just ran to the street to get food. Off the street.
I mean, I get it. Priorities. Oh, I don't
Oh, there he's coming back. He's coming back. Ooh. It is beautiful. You laughing at me? Okay guys, the time has finally come to fly the drone, so I hope. We have tried it a few times, but we've been too close to an airport every time. But this place is really pretty, so hopefully it works here, because that would be cool. We woke up for the sunrise. Currently walking to the beach because it's our last morning, so we wanted to watch it together, just the girls. And I'm honestly not sure that there's going to be a sunrise because it looks like there might be some storm clouds, but we had to do it anyways. It's their last morning of their trip in Thailand. Cooper and I keep going from here, but they had a few weeks before we got here, so we had to do this morning.
Will you eat my whipped cream?
Yeah.
How's the lighting here?
Good.
Oh, I want to
Ready? Should I go for it? Is it on 25?
No, yeah.
Pretty cool if you ask me. Pretty cool. I'm moving here. It's been decided. Down payment's been put down. Oh, beautiful ladies, where you from?
How do I look?
Great.
Okay, ready?
You look dark, but
Should I start on the roof?
I got it. We're fixed.
Ready? Hey guys, welcome to Thailand. That was kind of hot.